quick little video for today. Been having trouble with my fan for a long time now. It used to not blow on number 4, only 1, 2, 3. Now it finally has just completely killed itself. So typically that is the resistor, especially if you notice that certain speeds aren't working. So I'm fairly confident that it is the resistor. So we're going to show you how to do that today. It's down here under the glove box. You don't even have to move anything besides the trash on your floor. So let's check it out. Alright, there it is. 2 screws. Wow, they're actually Phillips head screws. Interesting. Unplug it. And I guess we gotta find a stubby screwdriver or put a bit in a ratchet. That might be the ticket. One thing I've never really invested in as far as tools is screwdrivers. Like, I don't have any fancy ones or stubby ones or anything. But we got a crap load of bits. It's a number 1 Phillips bit. It actually fits very good, very snug. So we're gonna put that in a 1/4-inch socket on a 1/4-inch ratchet. We're gonna take these out. If I can switch my selector. Bear with me. Alright, we got it working. This isn't my good 1/4-inch ratchet, unfortunately. That one is loose. This other one is diagonal. You can see, but I can't see. Back there, though. Might be able to get it by hand. So, they're very short screws, not very long at all. Set that in your floor mat for safekeeping. And if you're like me, I would suggest getting a magnetic socket because my bit keeps falling out. Loose enough for the ratchet mechanism not to work, but not loose enough to do it by hand. There we go. You got your 2 screws out. Now simply pull down. I do see that one burn right there. I don't know if that's the culprit or not. A little dirty. Probably should change the freaking cabin filter in this thing. Alright, now let's go grab our new part. Here we go. This is a standard motor product, says it down here at the bottom. It's labeled as inner motor, not exactly sure. When it comes to electrical stuff, sensors and stuff like that, I've had pretty good luck with this brand. It is made in China, but what isn't at this point? So if Denso is ever available, I always choose Denso. But stupid electrical stuff like this, not important sensors, usually Denso isn't available. So as you can see, that little resistor isn't really burnt out on the brand new one, obviously. But I would say that is the problem. Rust on there. Don't quote me if this is important which way you orient it, but I'm gonna keep it the same as it was. So circuit board facing you. I don't think that matters, but I'm not gonna take the chance. And there's 2 like dowel pins, one next to each screw hole, so it's pretty hard to mess up. Get your screws started. I'm losing focus with the camera. Sorry, trying to film and do this at the same time. Alright, got them started. My bit fell out again. I would personally suggest getting a stubby screwdriver for this. Not doing what I'm doing. This ratchet sucks. I love gear wrench, but something about this 1/4 inch ratchet, I don't know if it's because I don't use it often enough or what the problem is. The actual ratchet mechanism sucks, and not that it sucks, but getting stuck, like it's in a free spin position, and it's very hard to turn the selector sometimes. I really do enjoy the gear wrench cushion grip ratchets though. Alright, that feels tight. Everything's good. Plug her back in. Let's see if she works. I don't feel like getting up off the ground, so we're just gonna do this right here. Oh, I guess I was wrong. I guess it's the relay. Guess we're not posting this video. And decides to start working. Well, it'll work on speed 1. No. It's only working on speed 2. Not sure why that is. This motor is pretty shot. You can hear it. Sounds like crap. Well, that's very interesting. It doesn't like any speed besides number 2. Well, I was fairly certain this was the resistor, but, well, this is the resistor, but I was fairly certain the resistor was my problem. Turns out it isn't. But either way, if you guys need to change your resistor, now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't think I'm too much of an idiot. I guess my motor's just shot. Or the switch is bad.